Welcome, today we're going to show you how to connect Android Auto wirelessly to any car. So Android Auto is actually integrated with your phone, so you don't need to download it. So you need to first meet the minimum requirements for the phone. Also you need to confirm that your car is compatible with wireless Android Auto. Some cars isn't actually compatible with Android Auto wirelessly, so you need to actually just use the cable. Also, you need to ensure that your phone has mobile data so you can actually connect it using wireless or to run other apps. After making sure that it's compatible, you can just turn on Bluetooth on your Android Auto device. Also, you need to turn it on your phone. After that, you need to pair the two devices. Make sure that you accept the pairing request I'll see from here. After that, I'll see from here you can click on Android Auto section, and now you will be prompted to download and install a new software for Android Auto. You need to just download it and install it, and now you are ready to go. So that's it. That's actually how you connect Android Auto wirelessly with your phone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.